If I'm going to make a batch of burritos, I might as well make a big batch and freeze some for another day. The recipe is really simple. It all starts with a chopped cooking onion and green pepper. I'll saute those down until they're just translucent, then add some lean ground beef along with oregano, cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, and salt. Once the ground beef is fully cooked, I'll simmer any excess liquid, then add some store bought salsa, black beans, and jalapeno peppers. Cook rice according to package directions and then tip it out onto a baking sheet to cool. Once your beef is done, gather your toppings and it's time to start rolling. This is a great place to get your family involved because they can top their burrito with whatever they like. The question is, who rolls it best? Lay out a piece of plastic wrap or parchment paper and roll your burritos really tight. Then you can pop them into a Ziploc bag and freeze them flat. So when you're hungry, you can grab them and heat them up. The perfect meal on the go.